So hello everyone, I am Harsha from Sir Institute and we are at Sri Labhubai Trivedi Engineering and Technology College. So we will meet Mr. Ramani sir. So hello sir, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
So you are doing this great event. So kindly share this event.
Thank you. Myself, Dr. Bharat M. Ramani, Professor and Principal, Sri Labhubai Trivedi Institute of Engineering and Technology, managed by Mahatma Gandhi Charitable Trust. This year we are celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, and under this central theme, we have organized a very beautiful event, transforming faith into humanity, save birds, save environment, the best from the West. In fact, every year, particularly in the Saurashtra region and in the Rajkot, we install clay pots with full faith, and then we throw into the open atmosphere, polluting the atmosphere. So 5 years back, our Professor Kushal Vada, he thought, can we reuse, can we do some constructive use from these clay pots, and thought of transforming this waste clay pots into beautiful sparrow house was started 5 years back. And then after in 2018, the whole event in the form of hackathon was carried out. And this year, again we have organized with the only thinking, save birds, save environment. We have added the design engineering concept, and students have designed, they have formulated different teams, and under the theme of design concept, engineering concept, they have utilized and done this very good event, and already transformed more than 7,000 these clay pots into beautiful sparrow houses. We are sure that this particular action will definitely help to restore the climate. As well as this year we have decided we will utilize these beautiful sparrow houses into the two regions, Una as well as Amreli district, where there was the effect of cyclone. So this small initiatives definitely is going to help to the environment, and we appeal that all should join this particular social cause. Thank you.
So sir, as you and your team are doing great work, so my next question is, say something about you.
As I already told that I am here from last 8-9 years and associated with this particular institution under the Mahatma Gandhi Charitable Trust, and I have a very good team of faculty members and students and doing wonderful activities. We believe that creating creator, as per our the punch line and Atma Deepo Bhava, every student is having some potential and capability. Being an educationalist, we must be in a position to provide such environment so that that skill comes out, and through different activities we ensure that they get platform, and in the real sense they get the real engineering education. So this is what we are doing at our institutions.
So sir, I want to know, we are doing walk and talk activity of Sir Institute. So what is your opinion about walk and talk activity of Sir Institute?
Yes, Sir Institute, and particularly Sir is a tag name famous. In fact, I am knowing this particular organization from couple of years, doing wonderful activity. It is said that today's youth, they have a power but needs proper direction, proper orientation. So the team of Sir institutions basically providing that positive direction, positive perception, and the required skill, imparting the required skill, preparing the youth for the next generation. So I salute to the Sir Institute, Jagdish Sir, and all involved. They are doing wonderful activity, and such things we can see that we have a strong future. So developing, nurturing young mind, shaping the young generation, it's a wonderful activity, and I salute to the Sir institutions.
Thank you sir for giving us time in this busy world. So nice to meet you sir. So that was Dr. Ramani sir. Thanks for joining us. Stay tuned.